don't give a fuck about shit.
You're a victim.
Hi, homie.
I fucking have had it with California freeways, dog. Fucking bumper, dude. Fucking absolutely fucking destroyed my grill. Fucking stupid. What is up? What is up? What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Bosif G here, back at you guys again with another video. A video that I didn't quite be expecting to film the way I'm going to film it today. I'm going to be showing you guys the Mazda after, I think the last time I talked to you guys was like a week, 2 weeks ago. You guys can probably tell as the intro of the video. Yeah, I kind of ran into some issues with the Mazda last time I took it out. Fucking coming home and destroyed my front bumper. Yes, I still have the bumper. It's all intact and stuff. I don't know what I hit. I think I hit like a tire or a shredded tire or a bucket with some like material in it, some tar or whatever the case may be. It completely destroyed my bumper. Cracked the whole grill in a few places. It cracked the bumper in quite a few places. I'm hit directly on this driver's side fog light. So yeah, I also lost the fog light too. So, but anyways, that's all gonna get situated today because your boy's on his way to pick up a new bumper for this beast. And we're gonna hopefully slap it on. I wonder how it's gonna look because it's like a whole stock bumper. We're gonna see. I got K-By Shannon coming with me because we also need a side skirt for her car. I don't know if y'all seen that. But she's been missing a side skirt. She had a casualty. Not gonna talk about that. But anyways, yeah, hopefully we can get some stuff for her car as well while we're down there at the homie Javi shop. Shout out to Javi. He hooked me up with a bumper. Yeah, but I don't know what I hit, but it's like, it kind of feels like rubber and like tar, you know what I'm saying? Like after you do a burnout, but basically like side swipe. I don't know what happened. Like it scratched the whole bumper. Like it went, whatever hit, obliterated that way, it went this way, like along the car. Cause I got some on my rim here still. Mind you guys, the car's been like parked here since all this shit's happened. The rest of this gunk off, cause we're gonna be taking my car down there, guys. Might as well test fit the new bumper while I get there, you know what I'm saying? See if it works. Hopefully I'll just throw it on and drive it with it on back. I don't know if I should throw on this bumper or not. Kind of don't feel like dealing with it if it keeps just hanging, cause it's kind of just, all these clips right here on the old one are just fucking thrashed. Some of these, hopefully none of these broke. Oh, this one broke. Good thing it has a good old trusty part number on it. But here, let me show you guys the bumper. Here she is, guys. All girthed up. I mean, it had a straight up hole right here. Me and the doctor tried to patch it recently. Did not work out, but the whole grill is toasted. The perfect front end I thought I had is just gone. It's gone. But I don't know if I should throw these canards on the shit again. What you think, K-By?
What?
Throw the canards on the new bumper or leave them off?
No, put them on.
Put them on?
Yes.
Then I might get another set because I want this as like a little track bumper, you know what I'm saying? Since it's all scratched up and whatnot. Like,
You're gonna have to get a black emblem too.
do whatever I hit, even splattered over her car.
It's still there.
Yeah, it's still there.
A week later.
But I mean, like, yeah. Y'all get the gist. Toasted. Anyways, let's go get the new one. And a side skirt. The temps are at 203 right now, and this is when usually the car starts acting up. So we'll see how it does. The fuel trims are like semi alright, I guess. Way better than before though. Bumper acquired. Thanks to the man Javi himself. A lot of people don't like to be on camera, you gotta respect it. Yeah, I don't know, fam.
It is gonna fit.
Oh no. So my guy Javi is a stud, and we worked a little deal out. Because I'm gonna have to replace my grill to the open mouth grill on the bumper, so we might swap. We might trade stock one. And he has the open mouth one. He's parting out a car, I guess. So we'll see. Next few videos, find out. Make sure you subscribe. Head ass. This one's a little more sturdy though. Let's get your ceiling before.
Heard a crunch and I was like,
No
no.
fucking crunch. Fuck you mean? Can you fit in there? Keep our sound to the camera. Get it in there.
Perfect.
Like money.
Oh well, whose car did not start?
We're always running into fucking dilemmas with this car. I don't know what it is. It's cursed, I tell you. Yeah. It started fine last night, this morning. Like I primed it and everything, and then does this. Start it.
All right, stop.
Man, Mini Coupe. These sports around here have been very rowdy. Came to conclusion the starter is toasted. Right now we're attempting to jump start. Appears my starter has shitted me officially. Thought I could full send it and pick me up a bumper and make it back, but things have changed. Alright.
Oh shit, man.
Bump start.
Caca, man.
Bump start. He said caca, man. It's a Mazda. Bro, that's why no one buys them, bro.
No. They're not bad cars.
Nah, they're really not. They just have their flaws.
There's a lot of oil down there, huh?
Well, boys, bumper is acquired. We're gonna see how this boost is. Obviously, we had the car trouble now on the start, so see if we have boost troubles. I don't have any gas, but fuck it. It's nasty, bro. Nasty. Fuel temperature on point. One's gotta go though, guys, or something. We need some. Elote. Hey, 30 megs. I should have did that pull with like 38 miles left, so my car blows up. Y'all know why. Other than that, guys, she's doing fucking excellent. Other than that, we made it back from our trip. I mean, it literally takes us all day, guys, just to go get a bumper for my car. Miss Sam, we didn't have no side skirts from Miss Sam. Sorry, okay, bye.
It's alright.
Wow. Yeah, sun visors too. But anyways, we're gonna get to the house and we're gonna see if this thing, I wanna see if it actually fits the whole stock bumper around the bash bar and the light. And the intercooler, we're gonna see, but yeah, anyways, catch you all at the house. We out. What it do, squad? We back at the house. I'm gonna go ahead and get this bumper unloaded, and we're gonna see how it looks. I'm gonna try to test fit this bitch right quick. Sadly, Miss K Bai's car, we did not find anything we needed for. Sadly, it's just the part she needs. It's like, it's a side skirt, so it's passenger side skirt, so it's kind of hard to find in white, especially. I mean, you can find them in silver and shit, but we need it in white. So no sun visors, no luck on those, but big shout out to Javi for getting me this bumper in a short amount of time. Thank God he had one. So yeah, without further ado, let's get this thing test fitted on right quick. Alright boys, you got both bumpers together. This is an old clapped out one. Y'all can tell the differences in what's stock and what's not. I hope you can, but you see on my old one, I don't have any of that plastic tray or anything. Neither do I have it on the sides either. So I'm super hyped about that. I just feel like all these bumpers just get stupid, just fucked up from previous owners. Cause I got my car. Obviously, I was like the second or third owner when I bought my car. But yeah, I didn't have any of that. I got some nicks on this one, but hey, it's a lot better than this junk, I'll tell you what, and all this floppiness. And look, I even got an emblem. Sheesh. Quit playing with me. But yeah, 2 of 2 right now. Just got to fix up this one as much as I can for like a track bumper, and then this one always would be like a show car or like a street bumper. So yeah guys, but I really need you guys to help me out with this one. I don't know if I should put the canards back on this new bumper or just rock this new bumper like this, you know, kind of looking OEM kind of. Obviously I have an open mouth grill still, although the light bar did look tight in this, but it just wouldn't work, it wouldn't fit. So yeah. But anyways guys, hope you all enjoyed today's little video. It's kind of a short one. Mainly just me going to pick up a new bumper for this thing. But also I did get a call from the doctor, guys. Now she's up, you know, she's ready. She's going in under the knife. The doctor wants her. So she's going to be getting the clutch put in her, guys. Yeah, super hyped for the next upcoming videos. So stay tuned, guys. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you like this video. And like always, guys, I'll see you next video. Peace.
Like how you get that lit, same old me, but they think I switch. Fuck old friends, I don't know that bitch. Racks too big, can't fuck that shit.
Don't call that little ass place no estate. Unless you came with a bullet in the gate. Check the red before I pull in the gate. All my watches flooded just like a lake. Lately I've been showing up extra late. Rich nigga take her on a cheap date. 4 for 4 when he's get her a plate. Love when these nuts all up in her face. She say wow, never met a nigga with dick in her house. Spitting them out, digging her out.